EnduNAD is a dietary supplement specifically formulated to boost NAD plus levels in the body. NAD plus stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, a crucial coenzyme found in all living cells. NAD plus plays a vital role in energy metabolism and cellular health. It's essential for energy metabolism, DNA repair, cell signaling, and overall cellular health. As we age or experience high stress, NAD plus levels naturally decline, which can lead to decreased energy, slower recovery, and reduced cellular function. EnduNAD contains precisely selected ingredients that support the body's natural NAD plus production pathways. The supplement works by providing the necessary precursors that help your body produce more NAD plus naturally, supporting energy production at the cellular level and cysteine synthesis, which is essential for maintaining cellular health and function. For physically active individuals, EnduNAD supports faster recovery after intense workouts and helps combat exercise-induced fatigue. The supplement also promotes muscle endurance during training. For professionals and busy individuals, EnduNAD can improve concentration, mental clarity, and daily productivity by optimizing cellular energy production. The supplement is particularly beneficial for people experiencing fatigue, those with high-stress lifestyles, athletes seeking better recovery, and anyone looking to support their overall vitality and cellular health. By maintaining healthy NAD plus levels, EnduNAD helps support the body's natural energy processes, potentially slowing age-related decline in cellular function and promoting overall well-being. This makes EnduNAD an excellent option for health-conscious consumers looking for science-backed nutritional support to enhance their cellular health and overall well-being.